Welcome, everybody. This is lithiumpowerwalls.com. It's a forum where everybody from the noobs to the experts come to talk batteries. But this is a battery, a Lipo, small battery that I wanted to see, thermal runaway. How dangerous is it? I actually had one of these catch on fire in my workshop, unpacking something that I knew the battery was in there, and I was crowbarring it out of something, but not the battery. I was actually breaking apart something, and the tip kind of went into the battery. I think I hit it with a hammer, and it just slid in the battery. Crowbar, something similar to the one that I'm using now, and it looked like a Roman candle. Literally, smoke blew out of it, got red fire hot. I knew it was bad. All I did was run. So today, I just wanted to show what it looked like. It actually looked worse in my shop when it, thermal runaway happened. But yeah, here we go. That copper in there is fire red hot. And I've never been so scared in pretty much anything when it went up, because it was wrapped in plastic. It was encased in plastic when I hit it with the crowbar. The thing I thought it was actually going to be worse, but it didn't catch anything on fire next to it. The plastic, nothing. It was pretty violent. I wish you could hear the sound of it that it made when it went off in this video. But the kids were outside. You probably couldn't hear the audio was horrible. And for me to get good audio, I had to be inside of something. And that's not going to happen with a battery like this. As this channel progresses, I'm reviewing, I got inverters. I'm going to be reviewing inverters. You'll see me building batteries. You'll see me making every mistake. This will be uncut. Even from my voice right now, this will not be, oh, I'm so perfect and everything that I do is lovely. When it comes out good, it comes out good. You guys will see. I'm taking you on the trip with me. I just wanted to see how hot it was. I'm a kid, so I just had to see. It's hot. It looks hot, so I'm quite sure it's hot. Big kid. But that is actually copper that's unrolling out of there. And if you have any constructive things to say, or things that you would like to see me buy and test out before you buy it and test it out, I'll be more than willing and happy to do that for the channel, for the community, which is at lithiumpowerwalls.com. It's a forum really built for me. On this channel, we will go into my life, how I accomplish certain things in life. It's more than just building batteries and power walls. We will do a lot of that, but I will give you an insight into some of the things I do. How did I find these batteries? How did I start eBay? How did I buy houses? How did I own a studio, multiple studios? I will actually give you a tour of some of the studios and some of the stuff that we do there. I will give you a rundown of everything that I do on this channel. Welcome, everybody. This is lithiumpowerwalls.com.